A public beta test was sent off for the Hedera Hashgraph organization, a disseminated library with a proclaimed throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own Hedera Hashgraph digital money bar as well as a help for brilliant agreements and record stockpiling. Furthermore, there are now more than 36 applications previously working on its premise. Hashgraph, the Hbar blockchain, is a more proficient option to blockchain. It is likewise a dispersed vault, however one that utilizes an alternate approach to composing blocks. Rather than an unmistakable succession of blocks, blockchain, the Hashgraph utilizes a directed acyclic graph, DAG, which records data in a non-straight way, without a consecutive chain of blocks. Digital currencies, for example, IOTA, Byteball and Tangle are now working based on DAG. On account of DAG, the Hashgraph guarantees every one of the upsides of the blockchain, however without its downside as low exchange speed. In its most broad structure, a Hashgraph agreement functions as follows. Network members, hubs, trade information by means of the gossip convention. Transaction data is shipped off to irregular hubs, communicating them, thusly, to two other nodes, etc. dramatically, until the quantity of informed hubs is sufficient to check the exchange. Nodes trade just exchange information with one another, and not all data about the organization, while data is put away not in blocks, but rather in hashes. In this manner, everything happens a lot quicker than in the blockchain. Transactions are kept in sequential request, so you can follow their set of experiences. The hash calculation was created and protected in 2016 by the American mathematician Lyman Baird. Calculation privileges are possessed by Swirlds, helped to establish and created by Baird. Swirlds' innovation was spotted by U.S. banks in October 2017, the National Credit Union Association, CUNA, and Mountain West Credit Union Association, MCA, which framed a consortium of 6,000 banks, chose Swirlds to make a typical corporate organization. Achievement permitted them to isolate the undertaking into a different stage, Hedera Hashgraph platform. Swirlds allowed Hedera Hashgraph a selective permit, under which the organization will get 10% of Hedera Hashgraph's income. Hedera Hashgraph, technical analysis. As per the specialized investigation performed by TradingView, in light of the three most famous specialized markers, moving averages, oscillators and pivots, the ongoing rating for Hedera Hashgraph is purchase, demonstrating a reasonable bullish pattern. This shows that the ongoing cost of Hbar isn't its pinnacle and Hedera Hashgraph gets an opportunity to ascend from here on out. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, Future Price Prediction. As usual, we need to caution you that you ought to believe all crypto cost forecasts with some hesitancy. That incorporates our Hbar cost forecast. The crypto market is essentially too unstable and the business excessively erratic for any substantial expectations to be made. All things considered, it is as yet conceivable to make a few evaluations regarding what each coin or token's true capacity could be. How low might they at any point go? How high? In spite of the fact that the sky is the limit, we don't imagine that the Hedera Hashgraph cost gets an opportunity to reach $100 soon. Nonetheless, this digital currency actually has a few decent long-haul possibilities. Its past cost activity shows that Hbar coin is probably going to encounter some sluggish however reliable development over the course of the following couple of years, and may try and go up to as high as $3, in any event assuming that the most hopeful Hedera Hashgraph gauge is to be accepted. Remember that we make general expectations about the normal future value a digital money might reach during a given year. A coin's cost might go up to $100 in May and crash to $1 in July of that very year, and its typical cost for that year would be $50. Here are our expectations at the typical costs Hedera Hashgraph might arrive at before very long. Hedera Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Hedera costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Hedera will be $0.090. The greatest level that the Hbar cost can reach is 10 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.094. September 2022, Hedera Price Forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Hbar cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.082, while the most extreme could reach $0.089 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Hedera may be around $0.085. Hbar price forecast for October 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value variances of Hedera in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Hbar rate they foresee may be around $0.089 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.086 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.094. November 2022, Hedera price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Hbar cost will be exchanged at $0.090 overall. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Hedera worth to $0.098. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.087 in November 2022. Hbar price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Hedera costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.094. The most minimal and top Hbar rates may be $0.090.10. Hedera price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Hedera in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Hedera will be around 13 cents. The greatest expected Hbar cost might be around 16 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 13 cents in 2023. Hedera price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Hedera, in 2024, Hbar is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 19 cents and 22 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 20 cents. Hedera price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Hedera and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Hbar cost could drop to 28 cents, while its most extreme can reach 33 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 29 cents. Hedera price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Hedera by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Hbar costs are normal in 2026. 48 cents and 39 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 40 cents.